Coming up on Jasper, it's episode 6. Okay, and this episode is called Jasper Breaks Free from Jail. So Jasper, what are you doing today?
I'm planning on breaking free of jail because they don't feed me that well, and all they have to eat is my droppings.
Yeah, okay, don't remind me. Okay, so, yeah.
Yes, so I'm planning on breaking free right now.
Oh no! Ah, Jasper's on the run. Come on, run, Jasper, run! Run, Jasper, run! Run, Jasper! Run! Run, Jasper! Run!